Hey, Rebecca. Get that piggy. Got him. Is he going to do a duet with you? Are you going to sing the No More Piggy Man song? I'll hold the pig. Go sing the No More Piggy Man song on the stage. That was the warm-up. Go sing the song on the stump. Give the swing a push. Alright. Now come sing your song. Will you sing the No More Piggy Man song? Please. Are you giving a tree? Are you a tree hugger? A hug. What are you doing? Cleaning a tree? Are you not going to sing anymore?
No, it's yours.
You're done singing? Alright. How many trees are in the yard? Can you count all the trees? 1, 2. So you got to say 3.
4,
Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, you counted to 10. Yeah, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. Okay, now it's time for a song. Yay, that was a short song. Well, I guess it's marketable. Any more singing you want to do? Yeah. Okay. Nice job.
Rebecca, what do we see out here?
A duck. Bees. Alright. Horse. Can you get in that by yourself? You have to swing around. There you go. Is there anything you want to say to Mama?
Are you rocking?
Rocking and rolling.
Where do you at?
Okay. Ding dong. I guess it's time for some juice. Want some juice? Oh, she's just going to go help herself. Juice, Papa. Hey, Mama.
Hey, Matt. Okay, I'm back.
Okay. Alright, we're going inside. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I got the pig, the piggy.
Don't fall. Careful.
Alright. Say bye, Rebecca.